History. Mazda Motor Corporation, a renowned Japanese automaker, was founded in 1920 as Toyo Cork Kogyo Co., Limited, in Hiroshima, Japan. The name of the founder was Jujiro Matsuda, who led the company's early endeavors in vehicle manufacturing. The company initially manufactured cork products, but transitioned into vehicle production, ultimately adopting the name Mazda in 1984. Mazda's early years were marked by innovation and a commitment to unique engineering. Early success. In 1960, Mazda introduced the R360 Coupe, its first passenger car, followed by the iconic Mazda Cosmo Sport 110S in 1967, the world's first production car with a rotary engine. This innovation set the stage for Mazda's reputation as a pioneer in rotary engine technology. The Mazda RX-7, introduced in 1978, further solidified the brand's status as a creator of high-performance vehicles. Groundbreaking inventions. Mazda's groundbreaking rotary engine technology, known as the Wankel engine, has been a hallmark of the brand's identity. This engine design offers a lightweight and high-revving alternative to traditional piston engines. Over the years, Mazda has consistently fine-tuned this technology, resulting in models like the Mazda RX-8, renowned for its superb handling. Recent developments. In the 21st century, Mazda has shifted its focus towards sustainability and efficiency. The introduction of SkyActiv technology has led to a new generation of Mazda vehicles designed for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Mazda's crossover SUVs, including the Mazda CX-5 and the Mazda CX-9, have gained popularity for their blend of performance and practicality. Current status. Today, Mazda continues to be a significant player in the global automotive industry. The brand's philosophy, encapsulated in the Zoom Zoom mantra, emphasizes the joy of driving. Models like the Mazda MX-5 Miata showcase Mazda's commitment to providing exhilarating driving experiences. The current market value of the company is $6.9 billion, underscoring its dominant position in the automotive industry.